Best deals.
1. Frying pan. Its non-reactive surface preserves food taste and quality, making it perfect for everyday use. This frying pan delivers even heat distribution. This reduces cooking time and prevents food from burning, ensuring your foods are evenly cooked every time. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Oil sprayer. Injector produces a uniform, pure oil mist. If you use our fuel injectors, you can use less oil when preparing food, such as BBQ, grilling, making salad, and baking. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Lunch box. Easy to fit and store with a carry bag. Keep these containers all together safely in a bag. It'll ensure the longevity and portability of this product. Ideal for office executives and school kids, leak-proof steel containers keep food and beverage fresh and crisp for hours. The containers have airtight lids. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cleaning brush. Durable stainless steel construction offers high strength while remaining lightweight for easy handling and efficient cleaning. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Idli stand. Make idlis easily and quickly at home, designed for 6.5-liter pressure cooker. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Foldable water bottle. Material made from plastic, eco-friendly, with good quality. Can be folded into small shape, portable and easy to take. Perfect for outdoor sports, like hiking, camping, fishing and cycling. Each bottle has a hanging clasp, ideal to hang on your bag, waist belt. Clean with mild detergent, rinse thoroughly after use. Ensure it is completely dry before storing. Compatible with most hydration bags and running belts. Easy to use bite valve featuring a smooth flow, closes automatically with every sip. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Espresso machine. Engineered for serious coffee enthusiasts, this professional espresso machine delivers cafe-quality coffee at home, making it ideal for aficionados and baristas alike. Monitor 14 key metrics in real time, including grind time, extraction pressure, and milk frothing speed. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Square tawa. Makes cooking safer and your health better. Its new and improved coating ensures durability and poses no harm to food. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Brush. Constructed with sturdy plastic and powerful silicone soft bristles for long-lasting and highly effective use in various cleaning tasks. The cloth brush has an ergonomic handle, providing a secure and comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly scrub and remove dirt and stains from clothes without straining your hand. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Bumpers. Made from thick, high-quality gel, our door stopper is flexible and long-lasting, withstanding repeated use without cracking or breaking. Self-adhesive door stopper requires no tools or drilling, making installation a breeze. Just peel, stick, and protect. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Dish drainer. Features an integrated drain tray that ensures quick and efficient water flow, keeping your countertop dry and mess-free. Made from sturdy, unbreakable plastic designed to endure daily use without cracking or bending, ensuring long-lasting performance. Offers ample space to hold plates, bowls, glasses, and utensils. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Curd strainer. Use it to strain hung curd, smoothies, fresh juices, cream cheese, and labneh. The fine mesh guarantees pure results without lumps or residues. Made from premium food-grade plastic and stainless steel mesh, the strainer is rust-resistant, durable, and hygienic, ensuring worry-free use every time. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tumbler. Features a sleek 18/8 stainless steel construction. Ideal to go glass for car, travel coffee or teacup, camping mugs, for cold and hot beverages. The tumbler comes with travel leak-proof lock and lock type lid to prevent unwanted spills, giving you a perfect on-the-go coffee, tea, juice tumbler. The aesthetic narrow and tall design fits the beautiful falcon tumbler in bag side pockets and car cup holder easily. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Plastic stool. Made from high quality, unbreakable plastic ensuring strength, stability, and long-term use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tea bags. The inner side adopts non-toxic thicker transparent hose, magnet with nickel plating, which it is durable, anti-rust, smooth, clip the curtain tightly, without any damage to the draperies. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Ceramic tray. Made from high quality, non-porous ceramic that resists moisture, stains, and odors, perfect for dipping fresh fruits, artisan bread, or sweets into rich chocolate or creamy cheese fondue, making it ideal for intimate gatherings or cozy nights in. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Rolling pin. It is easy to wash and clean. Its better grip make rotis, doughs, breads, chapati easy to roll. Will never crack, break, or scratch. No oiling or work needed. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Mixing bowl. Frosty bowls are made with our proprietary biocomposite technology with good durability. From ethical sourcing crop residue to manufacturing these products. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Clothes storage bags. The bags are used to store your precious clothes, saris, dresses, lehengas for women. It can be also used for storing kids' clothes and stuffs like baby bed and pillows. The clothes bag is made up from pure cotton canvas of 380 GSM material so you can wash for repeated use. The front net window provided to see through. This canvas cotton clothes bag can be used to store bed sheets, towels, clothes of kids, quilts, shirts, jeans, trousers. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Mat roti. A non-stick and very easy to clean, rinse, wipe clean and air dry. So quick and simple. No more scrubbing baking tins, trays and sheets, rinse, wipe clean and air dry. Baking parchment, greaseproof paper and disposable linings no longer needed. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Tope. Are carefully designed and fabricated with compliance with industry standards. It looks very classy. This hard anodized tope has supreme quality. Hard anodized aluminum promotes fast, thorough heating, and the stain-resistant, dishwasher-safe exterior adds versatility and functionality. It is easy to clean and maintain, even with everyday usage. With a very fine finish and its thickness, one can cook food tension-free, as it is not going to get burned. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Pan. 3 mm thick pan body with flared rims helps to distribute heat evenly, has comfortable riveted handles, for strength and sturdiness. Product link is given in the 22nd link.